So in this question, I'm given a function 2x squared minus 8x plus 4, and I'm asked to complete the square, find the vertex, the minimum value, and then I'm asked a question about a different function that also has that same vertex. So let's get to it. First thing we want to do is we want to complete the square of the function f of x equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 4. So a function is 2x squared minus 8x plus 4. We want to complete the square. In order to do that, the first thing we do is factor out this 2. Factor out this 2 out of these two terms right here. So this is 2 on x squared. If I factor out a 2 out of negative 8x, I'm left with negative 4x. And now I have plus 4. So I factored out my 2 out of these first two terms. Now I'm going to complete the square here inside these parentheses. This will be 2 on x squared minus 4x. In order to complete the square, I take half of this coefficient. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. I square it. Negative 2 squared is 4. I'm going to add it on here, plus 4. I have a plus 4 here that I bring down. And now I need to subtract over here. What do I need to subtract? Well, I added here a plus 4, but out in front I have a 2. So by putting here a plus 4, I've really added 2 times 4, that's 8, to the function overall. And so I must subtract 8 here at the end in order to make everything the same. Okay, so now I can continue. That gives me 2 on, inside the parentheses, I have a perfect square trinomial. X squared minus 4x plus 4 is really just x minus 2 squared. Plus 4 minus 8 is minus 4. And that's it. I've completed the square. My value of h, which is this number here, we're in the form a times x minus h squared plus k. So my h value is 2. H value is 2. And my k value is this term here at the end. That's minus 4. And that's my vertex. My vertex is 2, negative 4. We have a quadratic function with a positive coefficient on the x squared term. So it is a parabola that will open upwards. So this 2, negative 4 is a minimum value. So this 2, negative 4 is a min. This is our minimum value. And so this is the first two parts of our question answered. We have written the function in complete square form, and we have found the minimum value. All right, for the last part, we are given that a function which is written incomplete. It is x squared minus 4x plus k. K is some constant. It has the same minimum value as f of x, so therefore what is the value of k? So what we're being told is that 2, negative 4 is the minimum value, is the vertex of g of x. In other words, the point 2, negative 4 is on this function, of course, and is also on this function. What that means is that for an input of 2, my function g of x will give me back negative 4. 2, negative 4 is part of that function. And so what I can say, one way to solve this is to simply say that g of 2 is equal to negative 4. That's part of the graph. 2, negative 4 is part of the function of g of x. And so g of 2, well, I know I can work out g of 2. G of 2 is 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus k. And that now is equal to negative 4. And so I can just solve this. I have one equation with one unknown, so I can solve it. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2, that's 8. Negative 8 plus k is equal to negative 4. 4 minus 8, that's minus 4. Plus k is negative 4. I'll add 4 to both sides, and I get that k is equal to negative 4 plus 4, or k is equal to 0. So I find as the k value in g of x is actually 0. So the function g of x is really just x squared minus 4x. And that is it, complete.